We're in Embry Mill in North Stafford today, touring two homes, the Rowan by Gillies Homes and the Hopewell by Richmond American. Gillies and Richmond American are the only two builders that still have single-family options right now. The community will have more phases opening up, but if you're looking to build a new single family sometime soon, this is where you want to be. Gillies has four models, ranging from 2,634 square feet to 3,446 square feet. Lots of bump outs and additional square footage are available, and base prices start just below $700 at $699, $900. Right behind me back here, you'll see the Rowan from Gillies. This 6-bedroom, 5-bath home will really give you an idea of what Gillies can do. And for info on how to get free extras, call or text the number on the screen or down in the description below. There's a lot of different styles in Embry Mill, and Gillies definitely has their own here. Sort of a craftsman look with this stone down up to the water table, and then these accents on the columns that you see on the front porch. Big concrete front porch. And this model happens to be right at the end of a cul-de-sac. Gives you a little bit of an idea of what one of the streets looks like in Embry Mill. Coming in here through the front door, first thing you'll notice is you've got this huge 2-story ceiling in the foyer and some really cool touches like this nook here. You can see this brick facade right back behind it, coat closet right off of your front door, and a lot of light coming in through the front door and through these windows. Dining area right off of this foyer, and that theme of the arches kind of continues through this Rowan model. And I'm going to come through this way because it shows you how big this kitchen is. So they've got this set up sort of like a butler's pantry with a drink cooler and little bar area. I've had people use this as a coffee bar, really cool little light fixture there. And just off here, you've got this walk-in pantry, a ton of space here, and the massive kitchen. I'm gonna walk all the way down this bank of cabinets here, come back around so you can see it. It's got a gourmet layout with the separate range hood, really cool details with the glass tile right back behind it, and then the horizontal shiplap running up above that hood. 5-burner cooktop, natural gas, sink in the island along with the dishwasher, and the waterfall feature with this countertop and a lot of room for seating. Got your rest of your kitchen over here, and it goes directly into this eating area, more of your casual breakfast nook, and into your family room. And you can see those arched details kind of everywhere through here. And this room really is big. The camera doesn't always do size justice. You've got a couple of cool nooks in here. You've got this wood look. Now, some of this is custom for the model, but it gives you a really good idea of what you can do and how you can customize this home. And one really cool thing about Gillies as we walk here toward the back is they're one of just a few builders in this area that is semi-custom. And what that means is that they'll not only build their models, they'll also take their models and make changes for you, which is pretty unique. In a lot of cases, you have either a full custom builder or a production builder, and they'll kind of straddle that line. Now, this is something that Gillies does really well. It's these integrated covered porches. You can see you've got a natural gas fireplace, TV hookup, a fan, and then this is one of the best views in the whole community. And it shows you how in Embry Mill, you do have a lot of homes here. Big master plan community, tons of amenities, but you still have open areas. there's a trailhead just over that way where you've got a walking trail through those woods that you can see right there. Coming back into the house, we're gonna walk right over here to this side, because what you have is a flexible space over here in the corner. This can either be a bedroom, which is how you see it now, a study, which is how you're seeing a lot of people use it, and then you have this option for a full bath right here on the main level. Really finished nicely with this big shower, tons of tile accents. Out this way is what would be your 2-car garage. This is set up where the salespeople are right now, and then sort of your drop zone where backpacks and shoes and all those sorts of things can go. Coming around this way, you have your full wood staircase coming up to the 2nd level, and coming around the corner here, you've got one of the secondary bedrooms, really a good size, and it's got a private bath. And so you can see some of these cool details with the tile, gray vanity, some cool light fixtures here, this oversized subway style tile in the bath and shower combo, and then walk-in closet right off of this bathroom. Off the upstairs hall, you can see good sized laundry room. Your units would go here. That's where the hookups are. Plenty of space to fold and to dry. Nice and bright with this window off to the side. Secondary bedroom. Again, it's a good sized room. You can see the 2 corner windows letting a lot of light in. And then walk-in closet. Between these 2 bedrooms, you've got either Jack and Jill bath, what you might hear called a buddy bath, huge dual vanity. And then you've got your tub and shower combo right in here. And then through here, you go into the last secondary bedroom. So kind of a unique style there with that window sitting just a little higher. And then another walk-in closet. So you're not short on closet space in any of these rooms. Back out to that 2-story foyer that we talked about when we first came in. And then your primary suite. And this has some wow factor here. You see the really cool detail they did on the ceiling, this angled tray ceiling, giving you some super tall ceilings here in the master. Sitting area could be used as another office area, but a great spot next to that window to have coffee or read. And then the master bath. Got this huge soaking tub as you come in, vanities to either side, so everybody has their own space, and then really awesome shower, seamless doors, dual shower heads, water closet area over here, built-in storage, you can really never have enough, linen, bathroom storage, and then walk-in closets to either side at the entrance to this bathroom. Ton of closet space in this house. You're definitely not short on storage. Down here in the basement, this is an amazing place to entertain. So a huge rec room, this game room off to this side. They've built in a wet bar along this back wall, granite countertops, sink, dishwasher. There's plenty of space for a full-size refrigerator. This particular lot is a full walkout, so you've got windows all the way across the back. Plenty of space for a putting area, sitting area where those leather chairs are, place to hang out and eat, and then still this huge TV area. Coming around the corner, you've got a full bathroom with a shower, which is perfect, especially when you have guests over. You've got an additional bedroom down here in the basement, along with one more walk-in closet. And because of that walkout, you've got a full window in this bedroom, keeping everything super bright. Coming back through, you've got this area right off of the basement. This is under the covered area that we looked at before, and so this entire area fully covered, stays dry. They even left sort of windows in that concrete foundation so that it keeps this area open. And again, that view from this hill in Embry is amazing. This Rowan and Embry Mill is truly a spectacular home. You can see all the extra touches that they've done. And with Gillies being a semi-custom builder, if there's something that you want to change, a wall that you want to move, something that's not just right for you, they'll take care of that. And so if this looks like it could be your dream house, or maybe with a few changes could be your dream house, send us a text to the number on the screen or down below in the description. We'd love to help you find it.